Vietnam is a country with great potential for wind energy, especially offshore wind power, with a coastline stretching over 3,000 kilometers. Vietnam can utilize strong wind resources to generate electricity. The Vietnamese government has recognized the potential of offshore wind power and is focusing on attracting investment from investors in this field. In 2020, Vietnam passed a financial support policy for offshore wind power projects, with the goal of producing 10% of the country's total electricity output from wind energy by 2030. To ensure the sustainability of offshore wind power projects, investing companies need legal consulting and support policies from professional units. Smartech is one of the leading legal consulting firms in Vietnam, especially in the field of wind power.